Hello students. The male reproductive system of human. Now you know the main structure of reproduction is retted testes. Now this is the testis which is present in the sac which is known as scrotum. So that sac is only one but two testes are placed in it and therefore you can see these two testes which is placed in one scrotum. So that scrotum, the bag is divided into two because of the two testes present. Now it is known as retted testes because it is made up of minute tubules. There are many tubules inside the testes. Now these tubules, small tubes, have cells. They produce the cells. There are germinal layer. The tubes have got the germ layers, germinal layers which produces sperms. They produce the cell which has half the number of chromosome by meiosis. So here the minute tubules, they are sperms are unicellular. They are minute tubules which produces the cells, the sperm which has got half the number of chromosome. So many cells are produced. So here the actual cells are produced by many minute tubules. The germinal layer produces these cells which moves on through the minute tubes which is vasa efferentia to epididymis. Here maturity of cell takes place. So from here testes it goes by vasa efferentia to epididymis. Here maturity of cell takes place. Like testes produces the actual product, that is the semen that produces the sperm, spermatozoa. Now this spermatozoa has to be matured. It takes place, more and more maturation takes place, but here maximum maturation takes place in epididymis which is covering this testes. Now, after this epididymis, it moves into the minute duct which is vasa deferens, vasa deferens. Efferens it takes to epididymis and deferens it takes further to ejaculatory duct. So here it is vasa deferentia. It starts from here, it moves like this and it comes here. So this is ejaculatory duct. This part is ejaculatory duct. Now here seminal vesicle. It is all made up of tubules and glands. So now this gland, seminal vesicle, it pours in the fluid here in ejaculatory duct. Both are ejaculatory duct. You have two seminal vesicle. It will pour out the fluid which is alkaline in nature. It gives nutrition to the cells. It has to nourish. Those are cells. It has to be nourished. They have to swim in the fluid because otherwise they will die. So the fluid by seminal vesicle gives an alkaline condition, gives nutrition, it allows to swim, it allows to go further. So now it will come here into urinogenital duct. But before that, this prostrate gland, which is the size of a walnut, which is present below this urinary bladder. Human male reproductive system is combined bit here. So this duct passes urine as well as the semen. So here this bladder, whenever required, urine will be passed through this duct. Now, this glands, they will produce alkaline fluid. Again, this prostate glands gives out a white color fluid which will nourish, which will help it to move. It will provide alkaline conditions and help to move in this urinogenital duct. Now, again, there is a gland which is known as Cowper's gland, which is the size of a pea. It will give out an alkaline fluid. It will clear this duct, because if urine has been passed, it is acidic. So this Cowper's gland will pass the fluid which will clear, make it alkaline. Sperms will exist only in alkaline condition. In acidic condition, it will die. Even the vagina is acidic. All this combines, all these glands, they produce fluids which will nourish the sperm, which will give alkaline condition, and it will help in motility. So there will be precum which will be produced, which will clear, which will make it alkaline and help the sperm. Semen is sperm plus all this fluid which is provided by this glands. So the semen will come out through this penis and ejaculated out and put into the vagina. So here this fluid will help to maintain the alkaline condition. Now once it is in vagina, it will go to the duct for fertilization. So here the fluid will help it to swim, it will allow it to reach it to the oviduct for fertilization. So this is how the male reproductive system of human works.